Understanding seasonal colors, a guide to English vocabulary. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and colorful topic, seasonal colors. This concept is not only important for fashion and design but also enriches our everyday vocabulary. Let's dive in and discover the beauty and significance of seasonal colors. Seasonal colors refer to the specific set of colors that are commonly associated with each season of the year. These colors are inspired by the natural changes in the environment and cultural traditions. For instance, spring is often represented by fresh, vibrant colors like green, pink, and yellow, symbolizing new life and growth. In contrast, autumn features warm, earthy tones like orange, brown, and red, reflecting the changing leaves and harvest time. Seasonal colors play a significant role in various aspects of life, including fashion, interior design, and art. They help create a mood or atmosphere that resonates with the time of year. For example, summer colors are bright and energetic, perfect for beachwear and outdoor activities, while winter colors are often cool and subdued, mirroring the calmness of the snowy season. Understanding seasonal colors can enrich your English vocabulary and help you describe scenes, feelings, and activities more vividly. For instance, you might say, "The autumnal hues of the park were stunning," or "She wore a spring-like floral dress that brightened the room." Different cultures may have unique interpretations of seasonal colors. Exploring these can offer insights into cultural traditions and celebrations. For example, in some cultures, white is a winter color associated with snow, while in others, it might be linked to summer linen clothes. Thank you for joining us in exploring the vibrant world of seasonal colors. We hope this video has added some color to your English vocabulary and helped you appreciate the beauty of the seasons in a new way. Keep practicing, and don't forget to enjoy the colors around you.